Hello everyone, my name is Anusha from GFGC Hebdi. My topic is recent developments in financial system. What is financial system? A financial system is a system that allows the exchange of funds between financial market participants such as lenders, investors and borrowers. Financial system operate at national and global levels. It means a financial system is a set of institutions such as bank, insurance companies and stock exchanges that permit the exchange of funds. Borrowers, lenders, and investors exchange current funds to finance projects, either for consumption or productive investments, and to perceive a return on their financial assets. Recent developments in financial system. First one, digitalization. In India, it all began not earlier than the 1980s, when the banking sector introduced the use of information technology to perform basic functions like customer services, bookkeeping, and auditing. Soon, core banking solutions were adopted to enhance customer experiences. However, the transaction began in the 1990s during the period of liberalization when the Indian economy exposed itself to the global market. The banking sector opened itself for private and international banks, which is the prime reason for technological changes in the banking sector. Today, banks and financial institutions have benefited in many ways by adopting newer technologies. The shift from conventional to convenience banking is incredible. Modern trends in banking system make it easier, simpler, paperless, signatureless, and branchless with various features like IMPS, RTGS, NEFT, online banking, and telebanking. Digitalization has created the comfort of anywhere and anytime banking. It has resulted in the reduced cost of various banking procedures, improve revenue generation, and reduce human error along with increase the customer satisfaction. It has enabled the customers creating personalized solution for their investment plans and improve the overall banking experiences. Enhance mobile banking. Mobile banking is one of the most dominant current trend in banking system. As per the definition, it is the use of smartphone to perform various banking procedures like checking account balance, fund transfer, and bill payments without the need of visiting the branch. This trend has been taken over the traditional banking system. In coming years, mobile banking is expected to become even more efficient and effortless to keep up with the customer demands. Mobile banking features trends hint at the acquisition of lot and voice enabled payment services to become the reality of tomorrow. These voice enabled services can be found in smart televisions, smart cars, smart homes, and smart everything. Top industry leaders are collaborating to adopt lot connected networks to create mobile banking technologies that requires users voice to operate. UPI Unified Payment Interface. UPI or Unified Payment Interface has changed the way payments are made. It is real-time payment system that enable instant interbank transaction with the use of mobile platform. In India, this payment system is considered the future of retail banking. It is the one of the fastest and most secured payment gateways that is developed by National Payment Corporation of India and regulated by Reserve Bank of India. The year 2016 saw the launch of the revolutionary transaction system. This system makes funds transfer available 24 hours to 365 days unlike other internet banking system. There are approximately 39 apps and more than 50 banks supporting the transaction system. In the post demonetization India, this system played significant roles. In future, with the help of UPI, banking is expected to become more open. Blockchain. Blockchain is the new kid of the block and the latest buzzword. The technology that works on the principle of computer science, data structure, and cryptography, and it is the core component of cryptocurrency, is said to be the future of banking and financial services globally. Blockchain uses technology to create blocks to process, verify, and record transactions without the ability of modified it. Niti Aayog is creating India Chain, India's latest blockchain network, which is expected to revolutionize several industries, reduce the chance of fraud, enhance transparency, speed up the transaction process, lower human intervention, and create the unhackable database. Several aspects of banking and financial services like payment, clearance, and settlement system, stock exchange and share market, trade finance, and lending are predicted to be impacted. Artificial intelligence robots. Several private and nationalized banks in India have started to adopt chatbots or artificial intelligent robots are for assistance in customer support service. For now, the use of this technology is a nascent stage or and evolution of these chatbots is not too far away. Usage of chatbot is among the many emerging trends in the Indian banking sector that is expected to grow. More chatbots with higher level of intelligence are forecasting to adopt by the banks and financial institutions for improved customer interaction personalized solution. The technology will alleviate the chances of human error and create accurate solution for the customer. And also it can recognize fraudulent behavior, collect surveys and feedback, and assist in financial decision. The rise in fintech companies. Fintech companies and fintech apps have been changed the way of financial solutions are provided to the customer. Besides easy access to financial services, fintech companies have led to a massive improvement in services, customer experiences, and reduce the price paid. In India, the dynamic transformation has been brought upon by several important elements like fintech startup, established financial institutions, initiatives like Startup India by Government of India, incubators, investors. According to a report by National Association of Software and Services Companies, the fintech services market is expected to grow by 1.7 times into a $8 billion market by 2020. Digital only banks. It is a recent trend in Indian financial system and cannot be ignored. With the entire banking and financial services industry jumping to digital channel, digital only banks have emerged to create paperless and branchless banking system. This is a new breed of banking institutions that are overtaking the traditional model rapidly. These banking provide banking facilities only through various IT platforms that can be accessed on mobile computers and tablets. It provides most of the basic services in the most simplified manner and gives access to real-time data. The growing popularity of these banks is said to be a real threat of traditional banks. ICICI Pockets in India's first digital only bank. These banks are attractive to the customers because of their cost effective operating model. At the same time, through virtually, they provide high speed banking services at very low transaction fees. In, in today's busy life, these banks suit the customer need because they elevate the need of visiting the bank and standing in queue. Cloud banking. Cloud technology has taken the world by storm. It seems the technology will be find its way in the banking and financial services sector in India. Cloud computing will improve and organize banking and financial activities. Use of cloud-based technology means improved flexibility and scalability, increased efficiency, easier integration, of newer technologies and applications, faster services and solution, and improved data security. In addition, the bank will not have to invest in expensive hardware and software as updating the information is easier on cloud-based model. Biometrics. Essentially, for security reasons, a biometric authentication system is changing the national identity policies, and the impact is expected to be widespread. Banking and financial services are just one of many other industries that will be experiencing the impact. With the combination of encryption technology and OTPs, biometric authentication is forecasting to create a highly secure database protecting it from leaks and hackers' attempts. Financial services in India are exploring the potential of the powerful technologies to ensure sophisticated security to customer account and capital. Warehouse. With the smartwatch technology, the banking and financial services technology is aiming to create variable for retail banking customers and provide more control and easy access to the data. Variable have changed the way we perform daily activities. Therefore, this technology is anticipated to be the future retail banking trend by providing major banking services with just a click on a user friendly interface on their wearable devices. So, finally, these are some of the recent trends in the banking and financial sector of India, and all these new technologies are predicted to reshape the industry of business and money. The future is going to bring upon a revolution of sorts with historical changes in traditional model. The massive shift in the landscape ha- has few challenges. The customer are open the bank innovations, and the government is showing great support with schemes like Jan Dhan Yojan, which aims to provide a bank account to every citizen. Meanwhile, the competition from the foreign and private sector banks has straightened to government regulators, nationalized bank and financial institutions to adopt new technology in order to stay relevant in the race. Thank you.